the boat. Oh, look at Daddy with me. I almost like a baby. Mommy, I was 2 years old over there, right?
That's right. Ang galing mo naman. Yeah.
Yeah, I remember. But now I'm 5 years old. I'm almost 5 years.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Yeah, I'm going still in kindergarten.
No, there's more.
Ooh, there's more.
Then you see this. You've seen this, right?
Yes, this is Kuya.
This
That's
one.
Kuya. Me, I was 3 years old.
Who's this? Inang and Tatang. Can you say that?
No. No, the next one. Wow, there's everything. Look at me, I'm copying everybody. I'm copying Mommy, and Tita.
Yes.
I'm copying everybody. I was 1 year old over there. I was a baby.
Yes.
Yeah, and last time I remember that everything.
Who's this?
Tita. Mommy ate.
Tito Jello.
Tita Chilla.
Daddy.
Daddy Ronnie.
Daddy Ronnie.
And next one. There's all of it. This is
What's that?
Tita's wedding.
Good job.
I remember.
It's Kuya when he
Kuya
was a
and
baby.
you. Kuya and you was swimming, so you was holding him. So she don't not.
Look at you.
Oh, I'm so cute. I was 1 years old. Or 2 years old.
This is when you came here.
Yeah. Where?
Your first came here in Canada.
Oh yeah. The first day. I was born at Philippines, but now.
Look at this. Who's that? Who's this?
Josa.
This is Josa.
Cute. Yeah, the next
That's
one.
Josa and Kuya.
Yeah, they're so cute. There's Josa again. Kuya. Wait. 6 years old.
Kuya, look at you here.
So cute.
And this one.
We was in the beach and Kuya loved me there.
Yeah, we're in the beach.
Yes. Oh, look at the Christmas tree. I like it. I want another one.
Look at me. This is me when I was young.
Yeah. With the other youngs.
That's Josa, Diche, and Ate. And
Yeah.
Tita Yats.
Yeah, I know.
Look at you.
Kuya, she's the lovey. Yeah, that's
Who's
me.
this? Wax. That's Kuya Wax.
Oh.
Kuya Wax, Mavi, and Jace. You remember Jace?
Yeah, I remember. She got Philippines. I talk of Philippines too. I'm almost 5 years old. Like everybody.
Wait, dalawa, isa lang.
Me.
Tito, sino to?
I don't know.
That's Ikay.
I know.
And
Mom.
Ikoy.
I know, Mom.
Jem.
I know. Stop telling me everything.
You don't know. Who's
They're at
this?
the back.
Who's this?
Daddy Ronnie. Mommy it.
That's Ate.
Okay, Mommy, this is so nice. But I remember this. They're in the back. They're at the back. They're at the back.
Back of what?
The back of the car.
Ta-da!
Oh, they're so cute.
Look at this. Look at Kuya.
Kuya! She was 1 years old.
Yeah, look at
Baby.
Kuya.
Yeah, she's so cute. She was down there. Look. Oh, wait. When did I have a baby?
Mhm.
So we have that. have this. Oh, there's you, mommy.
When I was young.
Yeah, they're all young.
Yeah, there's Mama. And
Mama.
Papa. And
Now let's go to
there's
another.
Josa.
I know, mommy. She's beside you. This Kuya. I saw this on my video. It's actually good. Yeah, because last time she loved me so much, and I
She
love
still
her.
love you.
Yeah, all the time. Me! When I was 2 years old.
Look at you here. It's your kuya.
Yeah, I love Kuya so much. Look at mommy, daddy, and you,
And
Kuya.
kuya.
And here's all the brothers, and there's my Kuya.
Jem Jem. Tito EJ. Ikoy. Ezekiel.
And Kuya!
Yes, that's right.
They're all over there. Wait, mommy, I remember that she was in the church.
This one? Yeah, that's Jaina.
Yeah, she was in the church. And last year she came to the
Okay na
Philippine
yan.
house.
Wow! Who's that
Look at
girl?
me! This me over here in the picture.
Ganda.
This me.
Look at you.
This wasn't my birthday.
Yes, that's
And
your second
Jollibee
birthday.
cup.
Second birthday.
And there's in my new school because I was so excited.
This is Hetty. Sino nga ba yung Sunday?
Jollibee!
Twirly,
Pearly
Jollibee,
Jollibee.
Hetty, and this is Popo.
Yeah, how about this?
Yum.
Yum. It's almost yummy.
Look at you.
Oh, and quick. Oh! That's me, I was 4.
And this one. Who is this?
Kuya. Tita. What about this?
Sino siya?
Me. Mommy, wait.
Who's this? Tito, Je?
Look,
Tatay.
I know. Mommy, there's you in your wedding.
Yeah, that's me and
Yeah.
Daddy in our...
But Mommy, I wish I have another wedding. Mommy, can you,
Look, oh.
you
Look,
marry
oh.
Daddy?
Yeah, we married. Tito Jello and you.
Oh, what we're having.
Look at this one too. We're in the beach. Tito Jello, Tita, Daddy, Mommy, and Kuya and you.
Yes, I was a baby there. Mommy, how about the other?
Oo naman. Bakit?
I like it.
May kanin pa sa mesa. Konti lang ako. Sa kayong dalawa lang. Okay na yan. Ang dami niyan.
Wow. Mommy,
Oo,
look at
okay
my
lang.
feet.
Halo mo dyan pag ininit.
That's cool.
Huwag mo atake ganyan. Baka mapunit.
Mommy, that's Kuya. And the old Christmas tree.
Yeah. And nanay. Look at Tita's wedding. Look
Yeah,
at you.
Tita's wedding.
Ah, sino ba yan?
Tita's wedding!
Ganda oh. Oh, tingnan mo oh. Baby ka pa dito.
Oh, yeah. It's so cute. Oh, Mommy, what's this fairy?
That's all. You like it?
Yes, I like it. I want to keep it.
Oh, no. This is a calendar. We have to put it there.
Oh.
Okay, we have to put it back. So we know what day is
Wait,
it.
Mommy, I want in the end so she'll be perfect.
This is the day to day. And you know Tio? Oh,
Tio give that to us?
ha?
Tio give that to us?
Josa gave this to us, ha?
Pwede ihitin itong lalagyan.
Oh, pwede. You know Tio's coming? Did you know?
Yeah! I'm gonna be a big sister!
You are.
I'm almost 5 like Theo. She's almost coming right up. But I'm almost 5. But Theo is almost coming up too.
Yes. You wanna call Tita?
Yeah!
Teka, na natin igising mo. Let's see if Tita's awake, okay?